Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to add and subtract dissimilar fractions. Remember, with some patience and practice, you will be able to master this addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. So, let's get started! First, we have 2 and 3 over 8 plus 1/4. Okay, so we're going to do... Okay, to add dissimilar fractions, let's follow these steps. Step 1, rename the fraction as similar fraction by finding their least common denominator or LCD. The LCD is the least common multiple of the denominators of the fraction. So let's find the LCD of 8 and 4. Okay, but before that, i-rewrite muna natin ang whole number. Okay, so what is the LCD of 8 and 4? So the LCD of 8 and 4 is 8. So we're going to rewrite both the denominator. And then, paano naman natin makukuha ang numerator dito? Okay, so ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin si 8 dito kay 8. And then, ito times natin kay numerator to get the numerator here. Okay, so here we go. 8 divided 8 is equal to 1. And 1 times 3 is equal to 3. And then same lang siya dito. Okay, 8 divided 4 is equal to 2. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So, now, similar na yung denominator nila. So, ano yung gagawin natin? For step 2, we're going to add the mixed number or whole number and then the fraction. Okay, dahil isa lang ang whole number, so we're going to write the whole number here and then let's add the fraction. So 3, 8, and 2, 8. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And dahil 8 na siya, so we're going to write 8 here. Now the answer is 2 and 5 over 8. Okay, now, for this subtraction, so to subtract this similar fraction, let us follow this step. Step 1, we're going to rename fraction as similar fractions. Okay, so, paano natin gagawin similar fractions? So now, let us find the LCD. Okay, now let us find the LCD of 8 and 4. So, gaya kanina, ang LCD nila is 8. So, we're going to write 8 here. And we're going to divide both the denominator. So, 8 divided 8 is equal to 1 times 3. So, we have 3. And then, 8 divided 4 is 2 and 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now, step 2, we're going to subtract the fraction. Okay, now let us rewrite the whole number here. And now we're going to subtract this fraction. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And we're going to rewrite the 8. Now the answer is 2 and 1/8. So, there you have it, the addition and subtraction of similar fractions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, follow, and share for more math videos. See ya!